Welcome to the highly anticipated Rotochopper Demo Day 2023, a triumphant return to a great event, and it's back in a big way. This year's Demo Day started by uniting our valued customers, prospective clients, and the Rotochopper team, right here at the heart of our operations in St. Martin, Minnesota. The event commenced Wednesday morning with an exclusive tour of Rotochopper's factory.
There's lots of good equipment out there, but that's what makes us unique and what makes us different.
Granting attendees a behind-the-scenes look at how our world-class machinery is crafted right here in St. Martin, Minnesota. Visitors had the unique opportunity to witness the dedication and craftsmanship that goes into every Rotochopper machine, reinforcing our unwavering commitment to quality and innovation. They also had the privilege of hearing from Director of Customer Service, Doug, otherwise known as Spike Meyer, about RotoLink.
And basically, as they're running along, we can see that line starts dropping down, and that means they got a plugged fuel filter.
And Chad Angeli, Vice President of Customer Experience, who shared information about Rotochopper's preventative maintenance program.
But one of the things I've learned going out and talking with customers is when you're in your busy season, when you're producing, you cannot be down. If something big happens, you need to get back up and running right away.
After the factory tour, everyone convened to witness the MT-237 Trommel in action in the Rotochopper yard. The excitement continued as we boarded the buses and headed to the Marriott Hotel. Here, guests enjoyed a happy hour gathering as well as dinner. Attendees also had the opportunity to network, exchange insights, and prepare for an eventful day ahead at Herman's Landscape. The next morning, the Rotochopper crew was up early, setting the stage for a day and welcoming buses arriving to Herman's. And that's where the real excitement began. Now it was time to kick the festivities into full gear at Herman's. We began with the simultaneous operation of the FP66, grinding and coloring pre-ground tree waste through a 1 3/4 inch screen into the 365 conveyor. The B66L making quick work doing primary grind of trees and brush through a 5-inch octagon and 6-inch square hole screen into a 480 tracked radio conveyor. And the MT-175 Trommel Screen, showcasing its unmatched screening capabilities with dirt through a 3/8 inch screen. Throughout the day, attendees were treated to demonstrations of Rotochopper's cutting-edge lineup. It was then time to move on to the next group of demos, which included the MC266 and the GB250. Rotochopper's mid-size grinder, the MC266, ground whole pallets through a 1 3/4 inch baffled screen, while the Go Bagger 250 portable bagging system bagged colored mulch. During a well-deserved lunch break, networking opportunities abounded. Strengthening industry connections, attendees also had the privilege of hearing from co-founder Vince Hunt, who shared stories of Rotochopper's early beginnings.
We're out to make friends, take care of business, solve problems. And the problem solving was something that started from the very beginning.
Before the post-lunch activities, we captured some comments from attendees about their experience at Demo Day 2023.
To hear their ideas and to see that people think the same way that we do.
There's a lot of knowledge here and a lot of people with a lot more knowledge than me that it's just a great experience.
It's quite the family culture, and it's pretty awesome to see.
The afternoon then continued with more thrilling Rotochopper demos. The 95 DK series shredder left a lasting impression on its powerful shredding capabilities, tackling massive loss. It then fed the shredder material into a TS165 deck screener, which demonstrated its efficiency in separating materials with a 3-inch screen on the top deck and a 1.5 inch screen on the bottom deck. Last but not least, the highlight everyone had been waiting for, the new B66L2 horizontal grinder, paired with the 480R conveyor, and it showcased its exceptional grinding efficiency. The new B66L2 lived up to the expectations, handling and demanding a variety of materials with ease. As the sun set on this remarkable day, attendees left with valuable knowledge and insights, reinvigorated by the passion and innovation that define Rotochopper. Thank you for joining us at Rotochopper's Demo Day 2023. We look forward to our continued journey together, transforming challenges into opportunities, one grind at a time.